Old duels. Why drink beer if you can't feel the effects? Great question. Answer, you shouldn't. Just shoot the sons of bitches. Here we go.
What are you doing? No.
No what?
No.
No what?
Look at the deer. I'm not going to shoot.
It's got horns.
I'm
Holy
not going
shit.
to push and shoot.
Chill out. Ho! Here we are, target practice. Oh my god. The deer actually has horns. Wow, this is way cool. Can't believe there's a buck. We're out here taking target practice and he could have gotten shot. That is awesome. He's coming right towards me. Are you shitting me? I don't even have my weapon in case he wants to kick my ass. He's 18 feet from me. Wow, beautiful animal. Beautiful animal. Incredible. Obviously, he's one that we fed. He'd be running like crazy. Hi, guy. Hi, guy. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Crazy cool.